What I like about what's happening right now is that I have old friends, and I'll be damned if when you get older and you get the responsibilities and kids and, you know, marriage and all that stuff, you don't have a lot of time to go have some fun. I could see that the guys that are my age and even a little younger with the same responsibilities, they're making an effort to come here because they want to have something to do as an outlet for an escape from everyday life.
We were putting this together. One night, he's like, it didn't have a steering wheel, it didn't have a back bumper on it or nothing like that. And he's like, what do you want? I'm like, put the I got it.
I'm not putting transponders on yet, just because I don't really know.
I got one over here if you want one.
I got mine too. I took mine off. But we'll go out and fucking for some practice here, and you can take the red one out, and then if we decide we're staying on those carts, then we'll zip tie transponders on. And
sounds like a plan. Appreciate it, buddy.
Hell yeah.
We name the carts. I do it. My dad had a knack for coming up with nicknames for people and whatever they do. My cart is named Blue Balls because it's blue, you know. Mad Mike, I named the characters too themselves, you know, the drivers.
I don't like none of you motherfuckers. Why I hang out with you assholes?
Hell yeah, man!
My name is Connors. My card is heavy metal. Like, man, I'm going around in circles.
Yeah.
It's a motor sport. Yeah, it's sport. I mean, there's the competitiveness. It's actually physical. Grab a hold of that cart, it'll take it out of you to hold on to that wheel. And you see, I'm kind of a bigger guy, so I mean, I'm tucked in tight. You're sitting off to the side, it's like, okay, it's gonna take me a minute to get up out of this seat. So it's physical too, so yeah, definitely a sport. Fuck all you motherfuckers, that's all I know. God damn. Oh, shit.
John Bowen and, well, they call me the calculator because sooner or later I'll figure them out. It means I'm gonna pass them and they're gonna be done away with. My cart's called Swamp Thing because I put it in the water twice. I try to visualize what I'm gonna do before I do it. You gotta be ready to adjust. I currently have the lap record, 14.63. Everybody's working on their shit, so Mike's just not gonna let my numbers stand.
Make sure you're reading.
The racers have progressed a lot from the beginning of doing this because none of us knew what we were doing. I didn't even know what good race left turn only go-karts even looked like. So when I had a few built, they were brand new to me. I didn't know what was going on. You know, I don't know how to go around in a circle left, so it's a lot harder than you think.
He done fucked that up.
The first thing that most people do is they don't want to let off the gas. They think it's pavement and there's plenty of available traction, and then they find out really quick that that's not the fast way around. Seat time is one of the biggest factors of this, getting time in the cart to learn how to drive, and we all have learned a lot from it. It takes a little bit more finesse. You know, you're running both pedals at the same time, and the lap times have shown coming down, you know. We're pushing 40 miles an hour now.
1538. Let's see.
I've been working on some experimentation of what kind of gasoline I'm running and stuff. That's kind of, my angle is more of like the scientist angle.
All right, two's tight. Two's no dust free. One, I don't know. The inside of 3 and 4, where they're gonna go, is gonna be a little dusty, but I think Mark will tolerate it today.
The handle is the name of the track, and it's the tricky bitch. People are scrambling, they come back in, they try to make adjustments. You don't want to chase the track because it's going to be different the next time you go out there. And then I throw some water on it and really mess them all up.
I'm sure everyone will tell you probably the biggest thing is track's constantly changing. We're all learning that because everyone's like, well, last week, you know, hey, it was 70 degrees last week. Today it's, you know, low mid 80s. Track's drying out fast. You can already see. Look, there's water dry. Hey, water the track! Hey, you see it's all dried out though already.
Pull them in, I'm watering the line fast. When it gets dry, it gets slick and you slide. So we like to have moisture. 3 and 4 are the ones that dry out the most because the sun hits it. We got a lot of shade here, so 1 and 2 are good, they're tight.
I excavated this forest to get this track to fucking get cut in. Where that pile ends, that whole corner is just me with a chainsaw and a tiny little tractor. The county came here and they wanted to shut us down. I'm out there getting stuck in a bulldozer and the guy comes here, he's like, hey man, what are you doing? I didn't have a permit or anything, you know. And he's like, everything's cool, but you have to have a way to water this track because of the dust control. I was like, all right, let's dig a pond. If you look around, the water table is basically right there. And I made a water table pond and now we suck out of it. Got little holes we drop down, fill it up with our little 4-inch pump that we bought from the local farmer. I would love to have my chassis a better tune so I can get that thing around, get the thing turned. But I'm cheap, so I don't want to spend any money on my tires, so I'm going to run these out. A couple of guys are buying tires and it's helping them a lot. My angle is to find the best moisture on the track at any given time and try to work around the other guys that don't know how to get around. And I figured I've got a little bit of an advantage because it's my home track, so I can go out there anytime I want. And I do a lot more laps than they do, so I should be better.
What? Get the fuck out of here. What?
Go home, he says. Go
Are you
home.
fucking kidding me? That was a 14 for sure.
That was a 17-9. Get off the
Fucking cocksuckers!
Get off the track.
Busting my fucking balls out there.
Well, you should have done a better job.
Yeah,
What was the second lap? Was a flyer, right? What do I do?
15-8.
15-8?
Dude, you spun out over there and you spun
Fuck
out over
everybody. Fuck, I'm going home. Fuck this shit. God damn it.
So we gotta ring it out here.
Let's do this shit. All right, let's get this order.
We're all on the same playing level as far as that goes. No modifications on the motors. Everyone's set the same. Tuning, tires, tire pressure, caster camber, all that's something different, but motors all the same.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Bowen, really fast. He's inside out trying to figure his cart, always pushing to go and be the fastest. Really fast. He raced motorcycle. Mike raced motorcycle with John. Mike, really fast, always theory. Been an encyclopedia to me as far as I'm learning theory, driving techniques, better of me learning, applying. I'm on a big learning curve, so.
There's the way out. Tighten it up. Okay, you guys are doing good, man. We're all fucking rooting for you guys. Come on, go, go, go.
I think everybody's become better. It's gotten a lot tighter. You're not lapping people all the time. Some people are still spinning out a lot, but I think for the most part, everybody has progressed really well.
Rule out the top 4 carts pretty much. All the rest of us are fairly competitive. So it makes it a whole lot of fun.
I wanted, add things like lights, restaurant, like a little food truck or a little serving thing. I've been getting some comments about that because, we like to eat.
Got any hickory? We'll find a hickory tree.
Hey guys, there's food over there too that just came off the grill.
I would get him, but on the straightaways, but he was right there on the inside, so we went 3 wide.
Yeah.
Go out wide, go in deep, point towards the apex, come in and dive into the apex, stay on the throttle, drive it out, carry your speed out.
Learning how to stay on the throttle, going deeper, taking lines, how to take them, moving inside, there's so much to it. You tune for today, tomorrow come back out here, yeah, good luck. By the evening time, it'll already changed up.
Well, I got stuck doing a few laps behind you, and once I started following your line, I was picking up speed. Like, I knew I was getting faster. Like,
you were pulling away by less and less every lap. You were still pulling away, but it was less and less.
A lot of times, slow in is fast out.
Yeah, and that's what I started learning by following you. I was like, why is he going so slow in?
Yeah, don't.
We're flying out.
Because you need to be all this needs to be on the gas.
How many people we got here?
13.
13 people? 13 people. I think we got 11 caps there.
I got
a 12 right here.
Almost everybody wants to
pee in this one.
There's some caps right here.
All right.
Well, hey, that's
all right, here's what we're doing. If you draw the wrong number and it's too wet, you're fucked. All right?
That's right.
That's the way to go.
You gotta have respect.
I don't give a shit. We have stuff to do here.
What we doing, drawing numbers?
You're on.
We're qualifying.
Draw number 4.
It might be wet. It might be too wet right now. All right, let's go. Let's go, number 1. I'm fucking paper thin.
Right.
Put that thing there.
Not bad. I'll be number 1. Watch this.
What the fuck?
What? You get that? Oh, thank God.
All right, good. Dry it.
3. Fuck.
I want a low number.
7 on now.
Low number.
Shit, look at he's got all high now. 15.
11.
Dude, I ain't gonna qualify.
If I'm number 1 again.
Out there.
All right, on the back of the thing.
Hey, Ron.
That last time I was number 1, I was so busy. I was racing out of the fucking with short.
Hey, I'm dumb.
Yeah, well,
See how slick this shit is?
no, inside.
What?
30 up here. We're lining them up.
Let's go.
Damn right.
Man, where's Steve? He already lost a piece of his plexiglass.
This is going to determine the future.
You're in line, Mark. 1, 2, 3. You didn't draw your line.
3 people there. Okay.
Whatever.
We're just going to draw off that plate.
No, we put all their numbers back in.
All right.
So we'll just put you wherever. We'll just fill them.
Put me wherever, it don't matter.
I'll call each of you out.
2 laps.
2 laps.
So you're doing standing start?
No. On the second lap is flyer.
After you say it's work, then the flyer is the start.
Okay.
Yep. We got 5,
17:58. All right. Best lap. Run 2 laps. Best time is going to determine your starting position on the next race. That's how it works. It's 3 laps. This one doesn't count. Then you got 2 more. Okay. 16:67. He's got him hard. 15:74. He's the leader right now. Let's go ahead, asshole. You're gonna be last. 2 down, 2 hard. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
Do something, motherfucker.
Fuck you.
All right, let's get this shit lined up.
They didn't know how to line up. They still don't. That's why we have to teach them like little kids. You get here, you get here. Yeah. Instead of just say, hey, this is your number, and they should just go to their spot. No. They still don't know what the fuck they're doing, but that's all good. That's part of the fun, though.
Oh, it's time to get rowdy, man.
Let's go!
Very beginning of the race, kind of got dry. But it was good. It's been the best I've raced on since we've been here, so I like it. Went about as good as planned.
I had a mix-up with Ronnie there. He passed me and I had to work on him getting back. And then about the time I started coming up on Steve-O, it was too late.
Me and Bubba got tied up together, and That's why I got to the back of the pack. I didn't care. I was just spinning out just to mess up the field. Because when you're in the back, you can do what you want. Because I wasn't going to catch it.
Good friend of mine, Tony, put the hook to me and spun me in 4. But other than that, we done that fun. Had a good time. Had a really good time.
Track's loose. Trying to keep the dust down so it's wet. It's a little slick out there. That's why everybody was crashing. So just have to keep it clean, drive between them. Yeah, they keep talking about like setting theirs up. Every week I'm just trying to get it back here, like in one piece, let alone move forward.
So much dust just fell out of my fucking shorts where I stood up. I would be farting dust clouds for a fucking week.
Steve-O won. Of course, he's got, 100-pound weight advantage on everybody.
Right? He's got a leg up on everyone.
He's got a leg up on everyone.
Steve, they call me Steve-O, or calls it the Orange Crush. I just rolled with it. Don't sound very intimidating, but still won, so I guess it works. I just drove through all them crashing. I just didn't hit anybody. That usually works, so good run my cart. Fun hanging out with your buddies, just having a good time. I don't know, I used to race at a regular track and it just became a grind, and like it was too competitive so people weren't friends. This is more fun because it's a group of friends. So we get to just hang out and race while we're at it. We're growing, we're getting better, we're figuring it out every time. Every time we come out, it runs a little bit better. We're working on it.
I don't know what to say, man. That was hard racing right there, man. There was everybody going everywhere. I started in the back. I'm trying to work my way up to the front. Connors is just tough to get around. He was getting everybody in trouble. Everybody was getting in trouble from him. He don't like to get past, so that takes time, and time costs laps, All of a sudden that checker flag's up. That's it for my ass. I'm done. 6th, maybe 5th, I don't know. I don't fucking know. Look at this guy, look. Bowen, 2nd place.
Get off the fucking track.
That's it, that's all I have to say. I'm upset.
What a freaking blast. I love these guys. Hanging on that. Fun. I don't care if I finish last. I don't want to do nothing better. Hey, the cloud covering came, the temperature dropped off. Beautiful day. We're in the middle of summer. Are you kidding me? We're out having fun. Did you hear the look? Anyone having a bad time? I'm not having a bad time, neither are any of them. We're having a great time. I'm loving it. We're all living life. It's great. It's great.